Talk us through this purchase of the rights from Sanofi and why this is instrumental for the company from here.
It fits perfect in our strategy. It's a strengthening of our rare disease. We see really good opportunities to grow. There's about 6,500 rare diseases where there's no hope for therapy whatsoever. And we focus on addressing unmet need. This is a product that helps to treat a disease called CAT, which is really very, very rare, and fits perfect in our hemo-oncology franchise in rare. The product is on the market, and we acquired it at a what we think is a very reasonable price, and we're very, very fortunate and hoping for the authorities now to approve it. Subject to the approval, we should be able to bring this product to patients in January, really.
Talk to us about the competitive landscape. What can you do with this treatment that Sanofi couldn't do, and what are you up against in the rare diseases space in terms of other competitors?
Sanofi, I think, focuses a bit on really big products, really big potential. This is a product with a potential of 250 to 300 million. For Sanofi, that might be a little small. For us, it's a perfect fit. We are a company that will achieve at the end of this year 2.3 billion or just over 2.3 billion. So for us, this is a very substantial opportunity, and it fits in our current landscape. We will be bringing over some of the colleagues from Sanofi to help them bring this product to patients, and it fits within our strategy, right? I think what we then, as soon as we have the approval for this product, the authorities approve it, we can look at what other indications we can bring it. But first, we want to really make sure that we continue to bring this product to patients who need it every day.
Rob, the problem, and look, don't get me wrong, there are so many horrendous illnesses out there which just do not have the concentration of firepower and R&D to get us to great solutions. But the problem with rare diseases is, by nature, they are rare, and they're not going to become blockbusters if you do develop treatments as well. That's a very difficult thing to overcome, the fact that these are very unique illnesses with not actually the scalable solutions that mean that when you finally do find solutions to them, actually it's going to be a very tight pool of potential clients.
Yep, that's right. And we've been doing this for 15 years.
Yeah.
We're growing this year at 12% per year with very nice profit margins. Sector-leading profit margins this year will be 37%. And with our size and agility and the focus on the patients and the focus on the few doctors that really treat this and helping to get diagnosis is key. We've been able to do this well and make it in a growing, profitable business that translates into very good financial performance of our stock over the last decade. It's proven to be a really good model for us.
And I think you've really just put the nail on the head with the conversation about CAD with Karen there as well, because actually it is just not necessarily worth the while of these big pharma companies who are looking to develop. We've spoken to a lot of them recently, including Novartis. Yeah. And Roche, who want these multi-billion-dollar blockbusters as well. So there is an avenue for you to potentially pick up the asset and the personnel and the technology, perhaps cheaper, because they just want to offload it and concentrate their firepower elsewhere.
And that's what we've been doing successfully. Yeah. We took products from Novartis in the rare endocrinology. They thought they would maybe make 100 to 200 million. We believe it's going to be more like a $500 million opportunity. Because what's the other thing with rare disease? I'm a doctor myself. I get to see diseases now that I never heard of during my training. When you bring a therapy to the market, doctors and patients alike start to see it for the first time. And actually the markets become bigger and more interesting.